Hey, it's Ashley from Westcott, and in this video I'm going to show you 2 different lighting setups using gels in studio. Adding gels to your kit is a quick and easy way to add a punch of color to any setup. When working in the studio, there are endless possibilities to the images that you can create using gels. And I want to show you just 2 ways I incorporated gels in a recent photo shoot. For the first look, I wanted to use gels to get a colored background. This is probably one of the most common ways to use gels. It gives you the ability to get any color of a neutral colored background. For this example, I'm going to be using a white cyc wall. But if you don't have access to a cyc wall, this technique will also work with any neutral colored background. For example, white, black, or gray. For lighting my subject, I use an FJ400 strobe, and I modified this with the 36-inch Manny Ortiz Beauty switch with the white interior. I also added a grid to this. When using gels, grids can be very useful to help control the light spill. With the grid attached to my modifier, it helps reduce the amount of light hitting my background. Without it, there'd be a lot more white light mixing with the colored gel light, making the color less saturated and less vibrant. Next, I set up my background lights, and for this I used 2 additional FJ400s, both modified with a 1x3 rapid box switch softbox. I placed them both at about 45 degrees off of the wall. This way I'm able to get even lighting across my background. While attaching my modifiers to my FJ400s, I also attached a blue gel to each. For gels, I use Westcott's Flexi Gels, which are a silicone rubber gel designed specifically for the FJ400. Unlike traditional gel sheets, Flexi Gels are extremely heat resistant and can attach directly to the light head itself, making it faster and easier to gel any light modifier. During the shoot, I played around with the background lights at different power levels. Adjusting the power levels results in different shades of blue. The lower the power strobe, the deeper and richer the color will be, resulting in a deep dark blue color. I thought this made for a great dramatic portrait. I also got some shots with more power coming from the strobe, which resulted in the background being a vibrant blue. This looked like a bit more fun and more commercial for me, especially compared to the dark blue dramatic shots. Adjusting your power level when using gels is a quick and easy way to get multiple looks out of your setup. For the next look, I wanted to use gel lights as an accent light. Gels are great for adding color to things like edge lights and hair lights. For the shoot, I wanted to use as a backlight behind my subject. I also wanted to add a bit of atmosphere spray to add some dimension and creativity to the photo. To light the shot, I used the exact same main light as the previous shot, but added a silver reflector underneath to help fill in the shadows on my subject's chin. I then took the strip boxes off the background lights and added a 55-degree reflector to both. I placed the 2 background lights right behind my subject to help illuminate the atmosphere spray. I pointed one directly behind my subject right at the back of her head, and I gelled this with a green Flexi Gel. The other light I actually placed on the floor and pointed it directly up, and I kept the same blue Flexi Gel as the previous shot. This way I'd get a nice gradient from blue to green in the background. Since the green light is pointed directly at my subject, not only will it illuminate the atmosphere spray, but it'll also add a bit of a green halo on my subject. And this helps add to that backlit look I was aiming for. Adding gels is a quick and easy way to add color and interest to any photo. This is just a couple of ways I've used gels. If you want to see more shoots where I've used gel lighting, check out these other videos. Once you get the hang of it, the possibilities of what you can do with gels are endless. Which of these looks did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, thank you for watching.